In light of our Bitcoin money cost forecast, the cost of BCH will cross the $273 mark toward the finish of 2023, according to our BCH cost expectation 2025. Bitcoin money's future is brilliant, and it could hit $458 toward the finish of 2025. Our Bitcoin money expectation 2030 shows that the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of $1,118. Right now, the cost of Bitcoin money is exchanging around $113, which is practically 4% up from the most recent 24 hours. In spite of the blended patterns, Bitcoin money holds the possibility to go up and could hit $458 by 2025. In the event that you are searching for Bitcoin money expectations, our top-to-bottom examination plans to respond to your inquiries like, is Bitcoin money a wise venture? How high will Bitcoin money go? Is Bitcoin money expected to rise? Before we start with nitty-gritty Bitcoin money cost conjecture, how about we jump into the coin's outline? Bitcoin money. Presentation. The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital currencies offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The prestigious digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage fad to advance. Nonetheless, they're actually hit a test of openness, straightforwardness, and tremendous exchange expenses. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the tremendous capability of Bitcoin could be additionally outfit ideally through a hard fork, in this manner expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash cryptographic money skip to a gigantic level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender as opposed to a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, an ensuing remedy cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a noteworthy high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. Being perhaps of the most seasoned player in the digital money market, Bitcoin money value, the posterity of Bitcoin, has acquired confided in believability among big business organizations. Its convention-certifiable applications have likewise covered various significant classes that venture organizations might actually be keen on. Furthermore, Bitcoin money's huge local area of engineers, which deals with the blockchain's convention enhancements, could be considered by big business organizations as an innovative advantage. As per anticipated Bitcoin money cost examination, Bitcoin money cost could float lease costs around $106 toward 2023 in the couple of the following months in. As per Guaj Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH value expectation, it can generally ultimately depend on $292 as greatest cost in 1 year. Bitcoin money conjecture is by all accounts showing negative feeling. It might frustrate its financial backers cruising scarcely at $13.39 as least cost toward 2023 of every 1 year's end. Bitcoin money is anticipated to begin in walk 2023 at $131.61 and finish the month at $119.82. During spring, the most extreme determined BCH cost is $140.21 and the base cost is $95.34. The Bitcoin Money Project Group is on a forceful binge to improve its advancement exercises. Breaking liberated from the conventional method of activity, the group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People Group has likewise tried a beta message tipping bot, TipMapSpot, which empowers wire clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. Bitcoin money's cost today is exchanging around $113 with a flowing stock of 19,412,844 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $2,205,055,592. Despite the fact that the digital money has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back into the game, as construed by specialists. All the more critically, the venture is doing a ton on the advancement and improvement front, clarifying that the Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into obscurity. Bitcoin money can exchange on Bitcoin's past victories and validity the other cryptographic money world with the similitudes and divided history among the two significant monetary forms. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $379 toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As aforementioned, Bitcoin money cost is the posterity of BTC. It is set to follow similar impressions in cost activity as well. Assuming the Bitcoin cost is going vertical, the BCH cost, as well, will profit from that in no time. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023 going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts. The coin's cost has been diverging from its way typically every 2 or 3 years. In 2023, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the greatest cost. As per Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recover its lost force and crosses the $250 mark. There is no such thing as Bitcoin money value forecast 2024 expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will control the crypto market with a presentation cost fixed around $347.50 in the long term end. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50, with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to support and reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. According to our BCH cost expectation, there will be a radical change in the Bitcoin money cost figure when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025 assuming the BCH cost goes the distance and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money will be altogether more than its unequaled high in view of our BCH cost expectation. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $300.30 and $458.70 as the most extreme cost. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would have a typical worth of $379.50 in 2025. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026 in light of our own exploration and Bitcoin money cost figure. The BCH cost forecast for the year 2026 is $590.75. BCH gauge helps in financial planning with impeccable timing. Bitcoin money is anticipated to have a base cost of $386.75 and a typical cost of $590.75. Bitcoin money value expectation 2027 is indicated by Bitcoin cash cost forecast. The token is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $505.05 and $771.45. Separately, simultaneously, the typical cost of the crypto might be around $638.25 all year long. Bitcoin money value expectation 2028 as indicated by the BCH cost forecasts. The symbolic will have least, normal, and greatest costs of around $564.20, $713 and $861.80 individually. Bitcoin money value expectation 2029 taking a gander at the BCH expectation.